Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to draw and color the swing. First let's draw the swing itself. Draw the seat. Very good. Now draw two long lines hanging down. These are the ropes or chain of your swing. Draw a small curved line like a little rainbow on each side of the swing's ropes. These are the hangers for the swing. Now draw the top bar. It is like the part of the swing that holds everything up. Very good. Now let's draw the legs. Draw a circle. From each end of that top bar, draw two straight lines going down to the bottom of your paper. Do this on both sides, like these. Little circles at the bottom of the legs. These are like the feet of the swing. Like these. Very good. Your drawing is complete. Let's add some color. I am going to use sky blue color for the seat. Very good. Then we use green color. Very good. Use yellow color for this section. Then we use red color. Next I am going to use parrot color for the top bar. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Color in one direction to make it neat. Like these. Very good. Now let's color the legs. Let's make the front leg pink. Same for the other side. And let's make the back leg orange. Same for the other side. Then we use parrot color for the little circles. Like these. Very good. Your swing is ready. Allah Hafiz.